everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you that how can we create a reset button on the form so that the details which are filled by the user can be reset to the defaults again. So let's start with it. So this is the form which we have created and we have added one submit button as well. So if I fill the values over here and I'll click on submit, the values will be sent back to my processing page. And this is the coding for the same. So we have created over here one form in which we have added one user ID. That means two text boxes we have added, one of type text and second of type password. After that, we have added two radio buttons and we have grouped them together. Next, we added the check boxes and those check boxes are also grouped. After that, we created one selection list having different values, and that list is known as the combo box. After that, we added one text area having the placeholder give your feedback, right? And after that, at last, we added one submit button. So now after submit button, we are going to add one reset button also. And the input tag is there for the same. And the name I'm going to set as FRM as prefix reset. Okay, and the type of my button is reset. So I have written over here, just Control S, go back and refresh. So as you can see that one reset button is added over there. Now I want to change their value. So what can I do? I want that my text should appear in the capital. So I'm writing over here value as a reset. Press Control S, go back and refresh. So as you can see that by default it was appearing as first letter capital and rest small. But now after giving the value, it is appearing as all in small letters. Similarly, I can change the value of my submit button also. So let me change it. I can write over here value submit. So Control S, go back and refresh. Now as you can see that the submit value is also changed. Now I'm going to tell you that why do I need to create a reset button. So let's start with filling the details. I'm filling my email ID and I'm setting my password as Neha12. Okay. Now if I click upon submit, then the values will be submitted to the processing form. But if I click upon reset, then what will happen? Please observe it carefully. I'm clicking on reset. Now the values which were filled by me have disappeared, and in place of that my placeholder which is set as a default value over there has appeared. So I can show you in my coding that the default values are placeholder value. So placeholder attribute I have used over here and I have given one example. Similarly in my password also I have used placeholder. So automatically the default values are set. Again, my default value for gender is male. I can show you in my coding as well that male option is automatically checked, right? But if I'll click on female, then what will happen? After clicking on female, I'm going to reset it. So once I'll click on reset, then it will again come back onto the default value male. Similarly, as you can see over here that my default value for check boxes is Monday. Now if I'm selecting Tuesday, Wednesday and Sunday, now 4 values are selected. Once I click upon reset, only Monday will be left as checked. Now I have clicked upon reset. Now the rest of the options which I selected got deselected automatically. And because Monday is my default value, I can show you that Monday I set as a default value. See, I have used over here one term as checked inside my tag. So this is my checked value. Similarly, if I come back and look at here in my combo box, C# is already selected. As you can see, one dark gray shaded area is there on C#. So this is my default value. If I click upon Java, C++ and C, So what is happening? I have selected 3 values, but after clicking on reset, what will happen? It will again go and set back to C#. Let's try. So I have clicked upon here, and as you can see, the selections made by me got deselected and the default value has appeared again. Similarly, if I write something over here, so I'm typing anything. This is my data. If I click upon reset, what is happening? The data which I wrote got disappeared and it is blank now. And the placeholder is appearing. So this is how my reset is working. But the question is that why do I need it? Sometimes what happens that let's say I am filling a form and I have done some mistakes. I committed one mistake over there in filling the form, and I forgot also that this option was already selected and I chose the another option in place of that. So in that case, what can I do? Before clicking on submit button, I can reset my form, so that I will come to know that this value was already selected in the form and I selected a different one later on. So this is the benefit of reset button. Now, another thing I'm going to tell you, like I'm going to fill the form. I'm selecting female. Then I'm going to select Monday. I'm going to select Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Now I'm going to click upon this C++ and Python. So 2 values I have selected over there. I'm going to write over here excellent remarks. Okay. Now once I'll click on submit, what will happen? I am redirected onto my processing page. As you can see over here, this is my processing page, process.html. Okay, after submitting the form, what do I want? I want to fill the form again with another ID. So for that, what do I need to do? I need to click upon this back button. And after clicking on this, what am I observing? That the values which were filled by me are still here. That means this is my email ID nch.garg@gmail.com. Female I selected as a gender. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I selected as my days for the classes. The courses I selected as C++ and Python. And the remarks which I entered as excellent remarks are same, are as it is over here in my form. So how do I reset it? How do I fill another email ID? So another option is that one by one I'll go upon there on each and every option and I select another option and deselect the previous one. Or the best way is that I click upon reset. Once I click upon reset, all the values filled will come back onto the default value. Now I can restart again. So I'm going to write over here vidish@gmail.com. I can set the password as vidish12. Sorry, I cannot write more than 6 characters as I have set my max length. So I can write VID123. So he is male and we are going to select the classes as Monday, Wednesday and Friday. The course he is wishing to do is Python and the remarks are get start. Okay, and I'm going to submit it. So once I'm submitting, again my form is submitted. Now again I can go back and what can I see? That the form which was filled by me through the email ID vidish@gmail.com is here. All the values like gender as male, classes for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, course as Python, and the remarks get start are still there. So in this way, we are getting all the details back and I can reset it by clicking on reset. So being a teacher, if I want to fill 100 forms, so I can fill the forms one by one. I can come back onto the form and I can reset the values. I can again fill and I can submit it back. So this is how my reset button works. So I guess this is enough for the day. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Stay safe, stay happy.